So let's take a look at how we can use this terminate event. Let's get back to this example, stock replenishment process at a restaurant chain. So the first thing that we can do is to notify the reader that this process can lead to two possible outcomes. One positive, order fulfilled, the other negative, order not fulfilled. And we use a terminate event to represent this negative outcome. So these two types of exceptions, the error message that is probably due to a system error or because nothing happened, so neither an order response nor an error message is received, will lead to a negative outcome. The second feature of the terminate event is to be able to wipe off every token that might still be left flowing in the model. This signifies that there is no more work that can be done as part of this particular process systems. So let's take a look at how this particular feature of the terminate event works in the context of this revised version of our home loan application process. We see that here, besides checking for liability, we also check for debts. We check for liability with the top XOR splits, and we check for debts with the XOR split in the bottom part of the model. The loan will actually be approved and hence signed only if the customer has high liability and low debts. In any other case, the loan should be rejected. So what happens here is that we have an OR join that leads to this activity reject home loan in the middle of the process. If one token goes to the end join before task approve on loan, say that we are in the case of high liability, high debts, or vice versa, low liability and low debts, then one token will remain trapped before the end join. The end join cannot fire because we'll be waiting for the second token that will never arrive. So as soon as a token gets to the OR join will fire, the home loan will be rejected, and hence the terminate event will be reached, leading to the removal of the other token that was waiting at the doorstep of the end join. So the model will still be behaviorally correct in the sense that there is no token left out once the terminate end event is reached.